Let's get to it. What's going on, BSG? So today we're going to be working on adding some trunk hinges. Well, not hinges, but shocks right here. We're going to be working on these right here. And we have our tools right here. Should I say these are, we have our tools right there, but these are our hardware that we need to use. And as you can see, we got everything cleaned out in this trunk. Still kind of dusty, but we're gonna take care of that when we go to do some painting. So, but let me set you guys up. Well, let me tell you first. Okay, so for these Mustangs, they got these little torsion bars here that opens up the hood and everything, and we gotta take those out to operate the pieces that we put in. This here is gonna replace this. So let's get to it. We have left and we have right. Now they make it kind of easy for you. Can see there that yeah. So as you can see, right here is where we're going with this here. So instructions are kind of easy. It says top driver. So the holes already made and lined up already. Well, these holes already, this is factory right here. I'll turn you this way a little bit. This is factory. So these holes, all these holes are here. This here is to secure the cushion that goes here. That's what that's for. And these here are already here. And these holes that's in here coincide with these holes here, besides this hole here. If I had a cushion, then I would have to drill holes in that cushion to go here, because that cushion fits flat across here. But I don't have a cushion to go here, which I'm thinking about painting this whole inside red anyway, but it's neither here or there right now. So it goes just like that. Now, I need here is a couple of screw bolts here. That's our hardware. In fact, I'm gonna dump our hardware out in here. And we have, let's make sure that this thing here fits up in here. Okay, that goes there like that. And this here goes on here, if I ain't mistaken. So this might be where they said we need 2 ratchets, but I'm not gonna use 2 ratchets. I already got that. This here. And we also got some issues with the 85 that I will explain at the end of this video. So we did that right there. Now let's see if I can use my, no, that's a 9/16. Let's make see, that's a 9/16. Would I probably do that? Yes, 9/16. And see what you got. Let me see if this here is a 9/16 as well. Okay, so let's see if we can tighten this down here. See, I'm already supposed to have those torsion bars disconnected, but the reason why I haven't did that yet is because I don't want this trunk falling down on my head. So let's see what we can get here. Alright guys, so I'm having issues because the camera's in the way. Let me get this bolt. Damn. Let me get this bolt screwed down and I'll get right back to you. These caps on. Now, for up here, we gotta take this here out. So, I don't know if I can place y'all somewhere so y'all can see me do it. Or not, whatnot. I don't want y'all to fall. No, I'm just gonna take it out and gonna put this here in. Put this in. Alright guys, so as you can see right here is a torsion bar. I already did that side over there and I hit it with a hammer to knock it out of the slot and it popped up into up here somewhere. So I don't know where it's at, but I'm going to hit this side with a hammer and see what happens. And you got this side here that goes into a bracket like this, and that side there comes up into these bars right here, which does the opposite here. It goes here and then it goes up into the hinge bracket over there. So let us see what we get. May have a little noise, but it's okay. There we go. So it popped down there. So let's pop that backwards there. Almost out. You guys got to be careful, man, because this shit here is under tension, big time. So there we go with that right there. And as you see, my trunk came down a little bit. So let me what I was trying to prevent. Let me put this here on right here. Okay, so we got that holding up right there. And I'm gonna go over to the other side, do the same thing. Then I'm gonna bring y'all right back and let y'all get a closer look at what we got going on. All right, guys, so let's see what our final product look like here. All right, so we're looking good here. Bam. And that's it. This whole piece right here. This is it. This is what we've been working on today. Is this right here. And this. Nice piece. Got the other side done as well. We did it all at one time. So let me do this here. Let me close this down. Ooh, it's a little stiff. But I guess that's from that one side. So let me make sure you guys can see what's going on here. Right there. So you can get you guys a real good look. At how much better this here is. See that? Can't beat it, man. Perfect piece. Perfect piece. All right, this here kit is by a company called Ryan Frazier from Dover, Florida. And his company is FFP Customs. Ryan Frazier, FFP Customs out of Dover, Florida. So if you guys want to get a hold of that, get a hold of FFP out of Dover, Florida. And This kit costs about 125 bucks. And it's a perfect piece. And you can't beat it. Let me see if I can show you my invoice here. Let's see what the invoice look like. Oh, my bad. It's 155 bucks once it's all said and done. And that's it right there. Mustang Coupe gas shock trunk kit. So go ahead and get you guys one, and you won't be sorry. So let's get on to my issue that I have. Okay, now with let's see here, is this the right side that I need to put on? Yes. Okay, so with my trim, my 85-86 trim, with the bumper that I have, which I'm just realizing is a aero type bumper, which is an 87 to 93 bumper. The moldings are different, and as you can see right here, this molding here is different. See, the molding piece is up here, this piece is down here, and this here sticks out a little more than those do. All right, so I need to change this bumper cover. So I gotta order a bumper cover, which I already found it. I just gotta order it. This is a Sunday, so it had to be Monday tomorrow, and we'll get that on, and then we'll start working on those ground effects. Now the next issue that we have, yeah, I got a couple of issues. Oh boy, man, it never ends here. Issue after issue after issue. It never ends. So, let's point this out right here. As you can see, these fenders are garbage. These are aftermarket fenders. And I was told that they wouldn't line up correctly anyway. But I was trying to give them a shot. See how this is moving? That's because I can't pin it, put the screw in right there, because it is non-existent. So I had to go get me some fenders. And here we go. We have us OEM fenders right here. Yep. As you can see, this is my mold in here. This is the 85. I'm gonna replace this one right there. And this one here is a newer one, but it's gonna be the same fenders. So we'll be all right with as far as that goes. I just gotta strip them down again and rework them and redo everything all over again. Yeah, so that we can put our ground effects on, and everything else over there line up. Here, I finally got some rear seats. These look like to be 97s and up, which is okay. I found the seat covers that I need, which is a couple of bucks. Without question, they are a few bucks. In turn, this here motor we got here, we need to get this motor stripped down and get it to the engine shop so they can go through it and make sure that we are good to go. Then we'll get it back and put it back together. But it's the part of building a car, man. So yeah. But anyway, man, we're gonna call it on this video, man. Let me put this out there right quick. It do not cost anything to subscribe, man. So if you're checking out my channel, man, and you've been here a few times, the stats say that there is way more people watching my videos than are subscribed. So man, help me out. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll keep on growing and keep on moving up. So with all that being said, man, like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
Alexa. Hey, Alexa. I wanna play with your love. I need to tell you. I wanna bang.